Welcome to Dev Enterprises. Today we are unboxing the Conti double group espresso machine. It's stainless steel body, 10.5 liter copper boiler and piping all, and PID temperature control for consistency espresso extraction. Inbuilt show timer. It also comes with safety protection heating element for reliable performance and on-demand grinder 64 burr. Thanks for watching.